Good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new, I have not yet subscribed guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make your comments and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. So guys, remember this movement, you need to know your trend and you have to trade with the trend. If you have to take a look at what gold is doing, you can clearly see that gold is on a downtrend move. It is very clear that we are on a bearish move. This is our current movement right here, guys. So if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. You can also follow our Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. If you take a look at this movement right here, this is seen as a low, right? Then here is now the lower high. Market was able to drop again to give us a new lower low. This is the lower high that market eventually gave us. Then it was able to now drop again to give us a new lower low. You can see that market eventually dropped to form a new lower low. This is the lower high that market did give us. Here comes the lower low, and this is our lower high. Now, after this lower high, market was able to drop again to give us a new lower low, and this is an equal lower high. So this is an equal lower high. So we are expecting market to reject from this level and it will continue to drop. So it will drop, which is currently dropping by the way. So we would expect this drop to continue till it is able to completely take out this low, thereby giving us a new lower low. So all we can say is that a bearish move is what we should be expecting on our gold. So we should expect gold to drop more till it is able to completely take out this low, thereby giving us a new lower low. So if you are a trader, right, the best thing you can do right now is to hop in for the sell and hold your sell position. Guys, let's drop to our 4-hour time frame. So this is it. Remember guys, we said that this is an equal lower high, right? If you have to zoom it in, you see that market has given us multiple rejection at this zone. We first had the rejection here, then this is another rejection. The market did give us another rejection right here. So market is now pushing up right here. So just in case if market comes back to test it, which I don't think it will, but maybe it might come back to tap this neckline because this here is looking like a double top. Just in case if market comes to tap this neckline, right? Maybe by that time it should have tapped this 10-period simple moving average. Then see that as a confluence for market to drop and form a new low, thereby taking out this low. So what we're trying to say is a bearish move, a sell for the day is what we should be expecting on gold. Subscribe in order for you not to miss out on more updates we'll be covering for you guys.